Hey guys, thought I'd go ahead and give you a tour of my cabin here on the Grandeur of the Seas. It's cabin number 3612. It's an Oceanview stateroom, and so let's take a look. Alright, so starting just inside, as you walk inside the cabin, on your right hand side you have your closet and storage area, which, as you can see, you have plenty of hangers, plenty of room to hang stuff up, room for your suitcase, and you have a little dresser with some drawers there, and quite a bit of room. Should be able to handle just about everything you got. Then on your left you have the bathroom, and as you can see, it's pretty much the standard bathroom that you will find on just about any Royal Caribbean ship. The shower has the adjustable shower head. You got your hair and body wash. You got your room to put your shampoo and conditioner and whatnot. You have your drawstring to hang up your bathing suit. And then over here you have plenty of shelves and some drawers to put your stuff in. So all in all, it's a pretty standard bathroom. Then moving into the cabin, on the right you have your vanity slash desk with extra storage. You got your phone, got some hidden storage right there behind the mirror. You have your thermostat, top drawers with your hair dryer in the top drawer right there, in case any of y'all are wondering about that. You have some overseas power outlets that you can get the adapters for. Then over here you have two regular wall outlets, more storage, and the vanity lights up. Then over here you have more storage, and you have your safe area. You have your television, more drawer space. Then back over on the left you have your chair with little footstool slash table, another mirror, and that's your light switch for the bathroom. And this is one of those cabins that's joining with the next, so obviously that would have joined to the next room. And this is the master switch for the lights. Then, as you can see, you have the bed, which is currently configured into full size, but it can be split into two twins just upon request. You have a light on either side, and you have a desk table on either side, and you have a master switch to control the lights over there. And then obviously you have your Oceanview window, which gives you a pretty good view outside, which is pretty nice. It's, you know, a little bit better than having an interior that doesn't have something like that. And if you're one of those people that's easily claustrophobic, this might be a good option. You know, at least gives you something to look at. Doesn't make, you know, you don't feel so closed in. And that is pretty much it with the Oceanview room here on the Grandeur of the Seas. All in all, I'm pretty happy with this room. I can't really think of any downsides to it. Well, actually, there is one downside. It does not come with a refrigerator. So there's no mini fridge, no cooler. So if you're one of those people that wants to bring beverages, keep that in mind. You're not going to have that option. And the only other thing is this closet door right here. You have to be very careful opening and closing it. It makes a very loud noise when you do so. So, you know, that's just something to keep in mind. But all in all, it's a great room. I got this through the Royal Up bid program. Started out with just a regular interior, did the Royal Up, put the minimum bid in, got upgraded to Oceanview. So, but yeah, I would recommend it. I'd stay in an Oceanview again. But guys, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about it, and I'll see you around the way. Fair winds and following seas.